At the coffee shop.
Hi there. Welcome back to Learn English Through Stories channel. I'm so happy you're here today. Let's sit down, relax, and talk. Today, I want to take you somewhere. Not far, just to a coffee shop. Yes, a small, quiet, warm coffee shop. A place I love. Maybe you love it too. Let me tell you what it's like. Let's imagine this together. It's morning, maybe 9 a.m. The sky is soft and blue. I walk to a coffee shop near my home. It's not too big, but it smells amazing. Coffee, toast, butter, cake. I open the door. Ding, ding! That small bell sound. I love it. I say, "Good morning." The barista smiles. She says, "Hi there. What can I get for you?" Now it's time to order. I look at the menu. So many drinks. Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, iced drinks, smoothies. What do I want today? Maybe a hot latte with milk and foam. Yes, that sounds nice. I say, "One hot latte, please." She asks, "What size?" I say, "Medium, please." She smiles. "Anything to eat?" Maybe yes. There are muffins. There is cake. There are croissants. I say, "One chocolate muffin, please." She tells me the price. That's $6.50. I pay. I say, "Thank you." She says, "Your order will be ready soon." I smile. And now, I wait. I find a seat by the window. The light is warm. The music is soft. Not too loud, just a little jazz. I look around. There are people here. Some people talk. Some people read. Some work on laptops. Some just sit and drink coffee. I like this. It feels calm. It feels good. The barista calls, "Latte for Anna." That's me. I go to the counter. "Thank you," I say. She gives me the coffee and muffin. Now I sit down again. I take a sip. So warm, so smooth. I take a bite of the muffin. Sweet, soft, chocolate. Perfect. I take out my notebook. I write a little. Or sometimes I just think. I look outside. I see people walking, cars, trees, dogs. Time is slow. No rush. Just me and the coffee. Sometimes I meet a friend. "Hi." "Hey, you made it." We sit. We talk. We laugh. "What are you drinking?" "Green tea." "Nice. I got a latte." We talk about everything. Work, family, food. We look at the cakes. We want to try them all. Then we say, maybe next time. After a while, I feel full. I feel calm. I throw away the cup and I pack my bag. I smile at the barista. She says, "Have a good day." I say, "You too. Thank you." And I walk out the door. That's a coffee shop. A small place, but full of life. Now, let's practice some English you can use there. Ordering. 1 hot coffee, please. Can I have an iced latte? I'd like a green tea. Small, medium, or large? Large, please. Food. Do you have croissants? I'll take 1 muffin. Anything to eat? Yes, 1 slice of cake. Paying. How much is it? That's $5. Here you go. Thank you. Extra. For here or to go? For here, please. Can I get it to go? No sugar, please. Can I get oat milk? Friendly talk. This place is nice. The coffee is so good. I come here every week. Great music, right? Goodbye. Thanks. See you again. Have a good one. Take care. You see, coffee shops are great for practicing English. Even 1 sentence is enough. Try, I want coffee. Can I get a muffin? Thank you. Bye. Simple. Kind. Useful. You don't need big words, just big smiles. Now it's your turn. Think, what would you order? Coffee? Tea? Something sweet? Say it out loud. I'll have 1 hot chocolate. I want a green tea. I'd like a lemon muffin, please. You're doing great. This is how we learn. Slow and fun. Thank you so much for joining me today at Learn English Through Stories channel. If you enjoyed this little coffee break, follow the channel for more. Next time, maybe we go to the supermarket, or take a trip, or just sit and talk again. Wherever we go, we'll learn English together. See you next time. And until then, enjoy your coffee. Bye-bye.